Hello viewers. In this video I will be teaching how to add glossy lips effect in portrait using Photoshop. So let's start. First, open your image into Photoshop. Now create a new layer. Select the brush tool, and adjust its size to around 90 to 100. Make sure you have selected white color and color picker. Now, dab on the areas of lips where you want the glossiness. Double-click on this layer. Now drag this underlying layer slider a little bit towards right. Now press Alt key and click on the slider to break it. Drag one part toward right direction until you get the satisfying results. Click OK. We are done here. Let's have a look at final output. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.